Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna unbox this Xgimi Horizon 20 Max projector that I just bought. This video is not sponsored by anybody. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. This video might be a bit windy because I'm outside. Okay, this is the back. Wow. It's a beautiful box though. The reason why I'm recording outside, because why not? Actually, you don't need a knife for this, and I should get a sharper knife for this video. Maybe for the next video. Okay. That's one box. That's two boxes. That's box in a box. Place goes. Wait, let's see. This might be the travel box. There we go. Let me pack this back. Perfect. So this is the Xgimi. This is heavy. It's the power cord. Manual. It's a big power cord, by the way. .300 watt battery. Let's see the remote, because I've heard a lot of the remote, and okay, it's already, it's metal. That's this. Whoa, nice. Boop. The remote has a YouTube button, Netflix, Prime Video, and a shortcut. Live video, I don't know if you have this in my country. I think this is a Bluetooth remote. Maybe an IR blaster on the top, or maybe it's the microphone. I think that's the microphone. Yeah, that's the for microphone. Well, put this on the side. And there we have the projector. This projector. It feels like rubber here. Wow, it's so soft. Okay, please move the length. Nice. I'm gonna put you back on a second because I'm outside. I don't want to get dust on us. What's the power cord? Audio power button, HDMI 1, 2. This is HDMI 1 and 2. This is have eARC. USB, and optical audio, the fan, and the power is here. Well guys, please like and subscribe for more videos like this.